welcome back to my channel. And today we're gonna make walking tacos. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And as I said, we're gonna make walking tacos. And shout out to Titi. Let me show you the ingredients you're going to need. Velvetta cheese, or you can use any kind of cheese. You can use a salsa. This is kind I prefer. Spicy sausage. You can use any kind of sausage, but if you're a vegetarian, you can use meatless. Or you can use regular sausage. So let's get started making it. Oh, but you're also gonna need a crock top and a spoon. So let's get actually crock pot. So let's get started. First, you're gonna pour in some of the cheese. All of it. Then you're gonna pour in your salsa. Oh. Then any kind of meat. I meant brown sausage. So now you're gonna put it on the crock pot and stir it every 15 minutes. I'll be back to show you the finished product. So guys, I made my nacho cheese and I'm gonna show you a few things that you can put inside of your walking taco. So you can put cheese, Pico de Gallo, which is down below, how to make it, Doritos, or any kind of chips. Doesn't really matter. Of course, your nacho cheese. Lettuce. You can use ground turkey meat. 1 lime, sour cream, and those are some ingredients that you can put inside your walking taco. So let's get started. So take a bag of chips, open it. Next, you can put some of your things in. So I'm gonna make one for my brother. So first, I'm gonna add some cheese. Yum. Then ground turkey meat. Looks good so far. Then you wanna add your nacho cheese. Then I'm going to add some sour cream. Not a lot of sour cream. Lemon. I meant lime. Sorry, guys. Don't put the whole thing inside. And then, now, see what's inside. But I'm gonna shake it up so it'll be better. So my brother's gonna come in so he can try my walking taco. Try it.
Tastes really good.
Well, that's him. So now, let me make my walking taco and try it. Try it. My brother seems to like his. So, I'm going to try mine. That is good. He was right. I hope you guys like this. Bye. Subscribe. Share. Bye. Hope you enjoyed the walking taco. Bye. Subscribe and hit the bell.